In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard color on Dell G15 5530. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to easily modify the keyboard color for your Dell G15. This is going to work for any G series laptop that they have. Keep in mind that if you look at your keyboard and you notice that it is the model that only has the red keyboard color on all of the keys, then to my knowledge, you will not be able to change the keyboard color for that one. It seems like they have a model, like I said, with red LEDs, and that one cannot be changed. So keep that in mind. But if you notice that you have a spectrum of colors for different zones with different colors like this, then yours is eligible to be changed. All that you have to do is look for the Alienware Command Center. If you don't have this application already installed on your PC, go over to the Dell support website at dell.com/support and look for the Dell G15 and then your particular model, so the Dell G15 5530. Go to Drivers and Downloads at the left, and in here you will be able to find the Alienware Command Center. So this page is going to take a while to load. Go to Select Drivers and then you can look for the Command Center. Download it from here. So as you can see, even though it is designed for Alienware primarily, it also works with the Dell G series systems. When you open it up, you will have four main options at the top, and you have to go over to FX. So choose FX, and you will see the default theme that is active. Of course, in this example, I'm showing a screenshot with an Alienware laptop, but don't worry, this will also work for the G series of laptops. When you choose this theme, you will be able to select Edit, or you can create a new one if you prefer to keep this one as is. And then if you go over to Edit, you can change the device lighting. So you will see a picture like this with the keyboard and the front of the laptop, and you will be able to use the gradient tools at the left to change between all of the colors. You can save this to the theme and it will be applied. I hope I was able to help you on how to change keyboard color on Dell G15 5530. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.